Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Veronica.Em here, back with another video, and I am back with another hair video today. You guys know I usually take forever to do a hair video, but like I told you guys in the last one, and if you didn't watch it, make sure you go watch it. I am trying to get back to my hair clips and all that, you know, hair videos, hair tutorials, and all that good stuff for you guys, since that's what you guys love the most. So today I am back with an initial hair review, and this specific hair review is coming from Arabella Hair Company. All right, you guys, so when I say initial review, I mean initial because I just got the package, and usually I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do a hair review, but then I open the package and I just get to customizing the wig and all that stuff. But today I was like, no, I have to do this video for you guys. So I didn't touch it, I didn't open it. Here it is, and we're gonna open it together. So like I said, this is from Arabella Hair Company. It is a 13x6 wig, and I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what we're working with. You guys know I tell the truth about any hair company that I get hair from, or whatever, you know, hairstyle I'm rocking. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it 100%. So I'm just gonna be honest, like, if it's good, it's good. If it's not, it's not. And that's what I'm here to let y'all know, so that you guys don't waste your money. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let me cut this open. All right, so fresh out the package, we got the bag, the customized silk bag. It says Arabella Hair on there. What that say? Bloom Your Beauty, and then it has the website down below. So Arabella Hair, Bloom Your Beauty. Can you guys see that? With the website below. It's a black satin bag. So let's get into the goods. So this specific wig came with some goodies. They sent all of this in there, which is real nice. So we have a wig cap, which most companies usually send these. Oh, this is real cute, that cute clip. But we have wig cap pack of 2. You guys should know what that looks like. We have an edge brush, which I like these. Oh, they fancy. We got the one that has the brush and the comb on one side. It's not focusing. There we go. Came with this, and of course this end down here. So we got that. It came with, oh, it came with some lashes. I don't wear lashes. If I'm doing a review, I'll wear it for you guys, but I do not wear lashes outside. Y'all know I love my mascara, so don't ask me anything about lashes, because I really don't know. We have a wig band to melt that lace, which is going to come in really handy, especially because I don't know where the rest of mine went. So there's that. And then we have this super cute clip. This is like just a feather gold clip, which is kind of cute. I don't know. Maybe we'll figure out what to do with that. But those are all the goodies that was inside of there, which is really nice. So let me pack that back. Goodie bag. All right, let's get into what we're actually here for, and that is the actual wig. So this wig is 22 inches. It is deep curly, and like I said, it's supposed to be 13x6. So this is the initial package that is coming in. Have it like this. It has the net over it. Of course, I have highlights again. I love me a good highlighted wig, so that's what we sticking to. You guys know blonde is my color of the summer. Okay, you guys see that? This is the curl pattern on there. This looks kind of nice. Like, hold on. So this, okay, this is a little darker than what I have in my hair now. I'm guessing this is more like a honey blonde. This particular one, it looks like brownish honey blonde. I don't know. I gotta see it more in the light, but Okay, so this is the lace, what the lace looks like, the cap on the inside. Oh, it comes with a band, which is nice, so the wig is going to be secure. And you see it comes with the clips on the sides. Here's the lace again. So 13x6. I love me a good 13x6 frontal. I don't do 13x4 frontals anymore. Back in the day, maybe, but I am a 13x6 frontal kind of girl if I'm gonna, you know, wear a wig. So, okay. And one more time, here's the curl pattern. So let me see. Let me run my fingers through it. Let me feel it so I can explain to y'all what the texture is like, what the feel is like, the smell is like. There isn't really a scent to it. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like factory. If that makes any sense. It literally smells like it just came from a factory. But it doesn't have a stench to it, which is good because I know sometimes that could be a problem with some of these hair companies. But this one doesn't really smell bad. It just smells like it came fresh out the factory. So that's pretty good. When I'm feeling it like this, it's pretty soft. It feels like a pillow, really. I don't want to run my fingers through it too much to come out the curls because I want to do a review for you guys when I bleach the knots and actually wash the hair. So I want to compare the texture straight out the packaging to how it's going to feel once it's washed and deep conditioned and everything like that. So far so good. You guys see that curl pattern. It looks real nice. Fresh out the packaging, like I said, it's nice and soft. The curls are flowing. This would be a good beach wig, you know, or pool. Like I said, since summer is coming up, that's what we're going with this deep curly, which is really nice. You guys see the bounce? Okay. So let me just run my fingers through it for you guys. See if we have any shedding initially. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good. I don't see no shedding. So curly hair, you know, you're gonna have some strands come out because it's curly. Like when you have specific curly hair, especially deep curly hair, you're always gonna find a few strands here and there. But there is a difference between regular strands just coming out and actual shedding. I'm looking for actual shedding, like clumps of hair just coming from the actual construction of the cap, because that will tell me a lot, and I don't see that. So that's a good sign. Like I said, it's curly hair, so it'll be frizzy. You'll have a few pieces maybe here and there, but nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. Which I like. Okay. Okay, you guys, so to summarize my initial review with this 22-inch 13x6 frontal by Arabella hair, like I said, this is basically a honey blonde color. I would say it's like honey blonde. So deep curly so far, straight out the packaging. You saw me just take it straight out the packaging. The hair is pretty soft. It has some nice luster to it. It comes with a band, which is nice. Sometimes some wigs don't, and I usually have to sew a band on, but this one comes with it, which is a perk. There isn't really any shedding, you know, things like that. So I would say so far, fresh out the box is pretty. Okay, you guys, like I said, this was just the initial review, so literally fresh out the packaging. Nothing long about this video. I always do these, just want to give you fresh out the packaging, my initial thoughts. Like I said, I am going to do a second review, and that's going to be once I bleach the knots and actually wash, shampoo, condition, pluck the hair, and, you know, actually customize it to how I need to. I'll do a second review just so that, you know, we could see it at all stages, because sometimes they be packaging it all nice, but then once you start washing it, it started looking like a knotted mess, and we need to make sure this wig is going to hold up throughout the whole process of, you know, bleaching the knots, plucking, install, and see how long it could last us, if it's going to last us a couple months, if it's going to last us a year, 2 years, and different things like that. So if you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any other hair suggestions or hair videos that you would like to see, or any styles that you would like to see me do, of course, comment that down below. And of course, I will also be doing an install video for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.